everyone, it's Abby. In this video, we're going to be doing a Kalahari versus Great Wolf Lodge. So let's get into the video. First, I'm just gonna say Kalahari is a lot more expensive than Great Wolf Lodge. So the first topic that we're going to talk about, it seems right to talk about the water park first. So let's start with Kalahari. Kalahari has 14 main water slides, which some of them are Wild Wildebeest, Smoke That Thunders, Cheetah Racers, and a lot more. They are all really fun and really fast-paced and long, and there's 14 of them. They're just so good. They have a giant wave pool. There's also a surf area where you can get on to a surfboard, and it's like a flow rider. So you can go, you can stand up on it, or you can go on your stomach on it, and then you're surfing. They have 3 kids areas, like splash pads. One of them is Bugs Burrow, which is outside. Another one of them is Coral Cove, and there's a kids' lazy river. Kalahari's outdoor pool is a kids park, which is called Bugs Burrow. It has mini water slides. They're like mini tubes that you can go in. There's one of those ones that's shaped like Grey Wolf Lodges and Barreling Baboon, and it goes side to side to side, and then it brings you out. There's a couple other slides at Bugs Burrow, which your kid can play in. There are a ton of chairs, and I'm pretty sure that there's like a food and drink area outside. I'm not sure because I don't really remember. It has a hot tub, which is half of it is outside, half of it is inside, so you don't even have to leave the pool to get to the outdoor hot tub. There's a place in the water park called Zulu Food and Grill, and you can get like a burger, just get like normal food. The bad thing about the water park in all of Kalahari is that it's always really crowded. If you're going to go into a water slide and you're waiting in the line, you have to wait like from 10 minutes to an hour to get on one of the slides. And the wave pool is always pretty crowded. Now let's do Great Wolf Lodge. Great Wolf Lodge has 7 main water slides, but it's not always crowded, such as Double Barrel Drop, Hydro Plunge, and more. It's always less crowded, and you don't have to wait as long. At Great Wolf Lodge, there's a place called Buckets, where you can get snacks, hot pretzels, food, a lot more. It's really good. They have a wave pool, and just like Kalahari, they have a bucket drop thing where you go under it and you can stand under the bucket. Also, like Kalahari, they have a lazy river, but it's not as big as the one at Kalahari. I looked at the map. It goes from the first part of Kalahari, and then it goes all the way to the other side of the park. Now, Great Wolf Lodge's outdoor pool is not as big as the one as Kalahari. It has like a frog slide. It's kind of small. It's like your kid can climb up the back, then slide down the tongue of the frog, and the pool is not very deep. So for the water park, who wins? Kalahari, because it's just so big and it has so many water slides. So 1 point for Kalahari. Now we're going to talk about other attractions, starting with Kalahari. So I don't know everything about this. I know that Kalahari has a tree climbing course, and that I'm pretty sure that there's a space for little kids to go in. I am going to be honest, I have never even seen it. So I've only seen it on their website. They also have a swim like a mermaid attraction where you can they give you a mermaid tail and then teach you how to swim like it, how to use the tail. And then there's a shark, there's a shark attack, and it's where you can put a life vest and then with a little shark fin, and it's swimming lessons or something. I'm not completely sure about all the details. There's a massage area in the water park somewhere with a jacuzzi and massages. I think that there's also a sauna there. Kalahari has a giant arcade, and it has a couple of escape rooms. They have mini golf, mini bowling, a 7D theater, which is virtual reality, and they have a lot more virtual reality things. And there is a lot more. So let me just tell you, I've never done like any of the things that I just said that happened at Kalahari, but I'm pretty sure that they're fun. Now let's move to Great Wolf Lodge. At Great Wolf Lodge, they have an arcade. It's definitely not as big as the one at Kalahari, but it's pretty big. There's a lot of cool stuff that you can do there. They used to have a spa, but they took that down. It also has this extremely cool and fun thing called Magi Quest. And they give you a wand and an ancient book of wisdom, and it has a bunch of these things on it so all over Great Wolf Lodge, there are treasure chest things. If you point this wand at it like that, it opens. There are plaques on the wall, which if you point this at it, they will light up. And this book has so many things that you can find. It's like a scavenger hunt all over the entire Great Wolf Lodge, just not like the water park, but even in the lobby, even in the halls of the rooms. It's so fun. I'm serious. If you did it, or if you haven't done it yet and want to, you're going to love it so much. You know what I recommend? Buying laser guns. We got a pack of 4 for our family. Buying these laser guns. And then you know what you can do? Since you're allowed to stay up all night playing Magic Quest, they also let you bring your laser guns to play laser tag for however long you want at night. There is a thing next to the Magic Quest store, which is called Oliver's Mining Co. I'm pretty sure that they give you a bag of powder or something and a little container. You put the container in the water and then you pick it up, and there are going to be stones, gems, things like that inside of your thing. You can pick them out and put them in your little bag. They have 10 Paw Bowling Alley and Howl at the Moon Mini Golf. It's like a glow in the dark. Everything is dark, and then it's like neon glowing. There is Howler's Peak Ropes Course, which is like a 4-story, I'm pretty sure, ropes course. And it's just so fun to do in the summer or something. And then inside the store, they have a Build-A-Bear workshop. And out in the lobby, they have an animatronic bear show. It's kind of hard to explain, but there's a couple animatronic, there's about 5 animatronic animals inside a forest scene, and then they do a little show. For the theme of other attractions, which one wins? Definitely Great Wolf Lodge. It is just so fun. Also, Kalahari we've been to only once so far. In Great Wolf Lodge we've been to ever since 2016 or something like that. So I'm just gonna let you know. Now we're going to look at accommodations. At Kalahari, they have so many rooms. They have entire apartments filled with rooms. There's the King Whirlpool Suite, which has a whirlpool which is inside the room. They have a 5-bedroom Big 5 suite. They have a King Bunk Suite, and a lot more. Now let's move on to Great Wolf Lodge's rooms. Great Wolf Lodge has a kid cabin, a wolf den, the family suite, the kid camp room, and more. Okay, so now let's see which one wins. Now, since we have a family of 5 kids, and they're under the age of 11, which is including me, Great Wolf Lodge just seemed to have better rooms for us. So Great Wolf Lodge wins. Okay, so now it's time for the final comparison. Kalahari versus Great Wolf Lodge. With Kalahari with 1 point and Great Wolf Lodge with 2, Great Wolf Lodge wins. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!